Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. I am again available for you with another pick a card reading. And today we have two piles, pile number one, pile number two. And today's topic is, do they love you? Do they miss you? Do they have feelings for you? Okay. So this is timeless reading and this is general reading. So please keep it in mind. This is general reading. Whatever resonate with you, keep it with you and leave the rest. Okay. So this is pile number one and this is pile number two. Choose your pile. Welcome pile number one who have chosen this one. So we are going to check, do they miss you? Do they love you? Do they have feelings for you? And before starting the reading, please keep it in mind this is general. So it may or may not resonate completely with you. Keep whatever resonate with you and leave the rest. Okay. Let's we check. Your first card is Four of Wands and your second card is Ace of Pentacles and your third card is Postponement. Okay. So maybe you guys are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or maybe you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. And as per the card says, you guys may be in soulmate connection, or some of you may be dealing in or dealing with twin flame connection. Your partners are very passionate for this connection. They also want stable connection with you as per as you guys want. But here is the problem is postponement. Yeah, due to postponement of marriage, postponement of engagement, postponement of commitment, postponement, delay, postponement and all, you guys sometimes feel very depressed and very disappointed, and maybe you feel like your partners do not love you, do not like you, etc., etc. But here the card says yes, yes, a big yes for you. Your partners love you, your partners miss you, your partners have feelings, emotions for you. If you are positive for them, they are positive for you. If you love them, they love you. If you have strong feelings for them, they have strong feelings for you. Because they are your counterparts. They are your better half. They are your other half. So you guys are made for each other. This is divinely guided connection and this is soulmate connection. Some of you may be dealing with twin flame connection too. And here is a deep, a very intense bond between you. If you guys want to get separate and or to forget your partner, you guys cannot. If you try, you cannot. Okay, so this connection is very deep. This relationship is very just like pure unconditional love. Okay, so this connection is very pure. Your love is unconditional love, and yes, they love you, they see and miss you, they have strong emotional feelings for you. So whatever question in your mind regarding your partner, if it is positive then answer is yes, if it is negative then answer is no. They are mirroring you. Maybe sometime you feel like they are highlighting your fears. Okay, but don't get scared, don't get scared, because this person have feelings for you, this person loves you, this person likes you too much. Okay, So this is the reading for pile 1. I hope it resonate with you. If it really does, don't forget to thumbs up and share this in your group. Please do subscribe my channel if you didn't. Bye for now. Have a good day. Welcome pile 2. Who have chosen this? Let's we check. Do they miss you? Do they have deep or intense feelings for you? Do they love you? But before starting the reading, please keep it in mind this is general reading. It may or may not resonate completely with you. So keep whatever resonate with you and leave the rest. Okay? And this is timeless reading. Oh my god. Your first card is 3 of Rods and your second card is 9 of Cups. Maybe you guys are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag, or maybe you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. One more card is here and this is the Source. Amazing cards. Amazing cards for you. And as per as I can see here, I can feel here, maybe you guys are in less contact zone or in no contact zone. Maybe your partners are little stubborn and only thinking about themselves. Maybe they talk very less, they ignore you, but they are spying you, they are stalking you, they are thinking about you. They have emotional and deep feelings for you. They are passionate for you. Yeah, they are passionate for you. They have romantic feelings for you. They have fire energy for you. They have water energy for you. And they want reconciliation. If they ignores you, if they ignore you, or if they uh, block you, maybe they have blocked you, but now they want reconciliation. Now they have got what they are expecting, what they have goals. They have achieved each and every goal in their life, and now their full and final focus is you. They are spying you, they are stalking you, they are missing you. They want a clear communication with you, they want reconciliation with you, and they they are feeling like you are lucky charm for them. You are their destiny and they are your destiny. Maybe this connection is destined connection, and now this person is in his full comfortable zone in which they are ready to give you commit, they are ready to reconcile, they are ready to give you clarity, and they are ready to start a new beginning in your relationship. And if we say about this person miss you, this person have strong feeling for you or not, so yes, they are missing you, they have strong feelings for you, they love you a lot, and they want to reconcile with you, they want communication with you, and this connection is pure connection, this connection is destined connection, this connection may be soulmate connection, and this person is your wish fulfillment, and same for that person. They are also feeling like you are their wish fulfillment. They have deep and intense desires for you. So yes, they love you, they see, yes, they miss you, yes, they have strong feelings for you. Yes, this is destined connection. I hope this reading resonates to you. If it really does, don't forget to thumbs up and share this in your group. Please do subscribe my channel if you haven't. Bye for now. Have a good day.